Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make wrap text up and down in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we write some text in this document. Then select this text and increase the font size. Then go to the insert menu, then click word art drop down menu, then choose any word art. Then go to the format menu, then click text effect. Click the transform and find and select the wrap text up. Now we can see here we insert this wrap text up. Then copy this effect text and paste inside. Then move this text on down, then apply in this text effect down. Now we can see here we make wrap text up and down very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.